When you book a car with a driver, safety is probably the first word that pops into your head. But what does that really mean? It's so much more than just a car that runs. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain and look at all the hidden systems that make a car rental service genuinely trustworthy, from the rubber on the road all the way to the tech in the cloud. All right, so let's tackle that big question head on. What really goes into making a car rental safe and reliable? To figure it out, we're going to break down the key pillars of a really top-tier system. Think of it as the gold standard that makes sure you get from A to B, not just on time, but with complete and total peace of mind. Okay, let's start right here because this gets to the heart of it. The foundation of any great service is its philosophy, and this quote nails it. Safety isn't just a feature you can add on, it's the core promise. It's the absolute baseline that everything else is built on. And it's that kind of mindset that really creates a system you can trust. And that mindset naturally leads us to our very first pillar, the vehicle itself. A company's real commitment to safety, well, it starts right here, with the actual car. But it's about way more than just a fancy brand name or a shiny paint job. Now, check this out. What's interesting here isn't just the cars themselves, but what this list represents. A top-tier fleet isn't just a random collection of vehicles. It's carefully curated. You've got reliable workhorses like the Innova, comfy sedans for business, and of course, premium brands for those luxury experiences. This tells you they're deliberately investing in cars that are known for high safety ratings and solid performance. But listen, a great car is only as good as its maintenance, and this is where you see the huge difference between being reactive and being proactive. The best services, they don't wait for something to break. They build a system of prevention. You're talking scheduled servicing right on the manufacturer's timeline, daily checks by the chauffeur before every single trip, and, this is key, fixing any tiny issue before the car even thinks about hitting the road. It's all about catching problems before they become problems. And of course, on top of all that, you have the standard tech we've all come to expect. Features like anti-lock braking systems, or ABS, multiple airbags, stability control, these aren't just bullet points on a brochure. They're that fundamental, invisible safety net working silently in the background to protect passengers on every single journey. So you've got the car in absolutely perfect condition. But that's only half the story, right? A perfectly maintained car needs an equally professional person sitting behind the wheel. And that brings us to pillar number 2, the chauffeur. Okay, this right here is so important because it highlights a massive difference. On one side, you have just a driver, someone with a basic license. But on the other, you have a trained professional, someone who's gone through police clearances, background checks, even medical tests. They aren't just taught how to steer, they're trained in defensive driving, first aid, and customer etiquette. It completely transforms the role from just a driver into a professional you can actually trust. And especially after the last few years, safety also means health. High standards of hygiene aren't a luxury anymore. They're a basic expectation. We're talking strict sanitization routines, using approved disinfectants, and chauffeurs in professional uniforms. It all adds up to an environment that doesn't just feel clean, it feels genuinely reassuring. So we have a great car and a trained professional. But what holds it all together? Well, that's our third and final pillar, this system. This is all the invisible tech and the processes working behind the scenes to make every single journey smooth and secure. This is where technology really steps in to add an incredible layer of safety. Real-time GPS, that's not just for directions. It makes sure speeds are safe and routes are followed. Driver analytics can actually monitor things like braking to encourage a smoother, safer ride. And those automated maintenance alerts, they make sure nothing ever falls through the cracks. It's like a digital safety net wrapped around your whole trip. But hey, even the best systems have to plan for the unexpected. What if you get a flat tire or there's a huge traffic jam? A solid support system is the answer. Just knowing that there's always a 24/7 support line and even a replacement vehicle on standby, that's not just a feature, that's the ultimate peace of mind. It means you're never, ever left stranded. So, how does a service make sure these high standards don't just, slip over time? Through constant, relentless checking. Regular audits on the cars, the paperwork, the driver performance. It's not just red tape. It's a system of accountability. It's how the quality you're promised becomes the quality that's delivered day in and day out. Okay, so we've covered the 3 pillars, the vehicle, the chauffeur, and the system, the whole shebang. But why does all this complex behind-the-scenes stuff actually matter to you, the person in the back seat? Let's talk about the real-world benefits. Well, First and foremost, you get way higher reliability. Simple as that. A meticulously maintained car, watched over by an advanced system, means you can count on it to show up on time and to get you there without a hitch. No sudden breakdowns, no missed flights, no crazy unexpected delays.
Second, you get a much more comfortable ride. This whole system is designed to make the journey smoother. We're talking silent engines, super clean and fresh cabins, and a ride that just feels effortless. It's the difference between just getting to your destination and actually enjoying the trip. And finally, it all comes back to the most important results of all: better safety. When you know for a fact the brakes have been checked, the tires are in good shape, the airbags are ready to go, and your chauffeur is trained for emergencies, you can actually sit back and relax. That feeling, that peace of mind, is what truly defines a premium service.
And really, at the end of the day, here's what it all boils down to. True safety and reliability, they don't just happen by luck. They're the result of a disciplined, careful process that happens long before you even open the car door. So maybe the next time you book a ride, the most important question to ask isn't just about the car or the price, but about that invisible system standing right behind it.